Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. In today's video we're going to showcase some gorgeous long to short hair transformations. The first one is one of my favorite transformations of all time. Loving the blonde pixie that she has. I think that the color change as well as the haircut is such a drastic transformation. She looks absolutely amazing. So second, we have someone with very long hair. So her hair looks like it is about waist length. And the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. I would say she actually has more of a lob shape. The stylist did cut a little bit more, and she does have more of a classic bob. So next up we see a major big chop. So she is going from long hair to a pixie cut with this one. So it looks like the stylist is leaving more hair in the front than in the back. And this of course creates more volume and texture throughout the hair. And she's also getting some color added throughout. Oh wow. So she ended up coloring the top portion of the hair into a blonde. Loving the final results. I really like this two-tone color trend that we're seeing a lot of these days. I think it really just creates more definition throughout the hair. And that is a lot of hair that she cut off. And once again, another drastic hair transformation. So moving into the next one, we see someone getting their hair cut into maybe a bob. So she does have more of an angled bob with this one. Now she does have pretty thin hair, and I think that this bob cut really just kind of added more volume to the hair overall. This is a great shape if you do have thin hair and you want your hair to appear more voluminous. So this next transformation also includes another bob. And this woman as well has kind of semi-thin hair. So this would be another great haircut idea if you did have hair on the thinner side. And then once again, we see another bob transformation. And she ended up getting some color as well. Loving the highlights throughout. I think that this color is very pretty. So the next haircut is going to be of an undercut. This one is actually being done on a man, which is not something that I typically showcase on this channel. But hey, why not? Let's switch it up. Men are rocking the undercut trend as well. And this is a haircut that would work on both men and women. So if you are a woman watching this and you feel inspired by this haircut, don't be afraid to rock this one out as well. I would say that that is actually more of a faded undercut after looking at it the second time. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. Be sure to give it a like and I will see you in the next one.